I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Carrier voicemail must be active, and you may need a PIN. Once done, make sure your device has cellular signal or Wi-Fi calling and that airplane mode is off. Open the phone app now and look for the voicemail icon at the bottom. If not present, dial and hold the 1 key or enter your carrier's voicemail number. This initiates the connection so you can authenticate and access the inbox. You will be prompted to authenticate. Enter your voicemail PIN or follow carrier voice verification. This secures access to your messages. Once inside, use the play button to listen, swipe or delete to remove, and use save or callback functions for follow-up. For visual voicemail, tap a listed message to reveal playback speed, share, or transcript options if available. Make sure to note timestamps and caller ID so you can prioritize which messages to handle first. To finish, save messages you need and delete ones you've handled so your inbox stays manageable. Then exit the app. If you can't reach voicemail, restart your phone and try again, because temporary network or software glitches often clear on reboot. Make sure voicemail is enabled on your account and your PIN is correct. If problems persist, contact your carrier for PIN reset or provisioning issues. This single call usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.